BCD subtraction. Okay, so we have seen BCD addition. Now let us go with the BCD subtraction. So when you are trying to perform subtraction, we can do it in either in b minus 1's complement or it in b's complement. Okay, so let me take a simple example. I would like to subtract 98 and 81. Means I would like to subtract 81 from the 98. So your result is going to be 70. Right? So I would like to first do it with the b minus 1's complement, as these are decimal digits. So you may get like 9's complement or 10's complement. First we will do it with the 9's complement. When you are trying to do it with 9's complement of subtract, so first one is as usual, and the second one is what is 9's complement of 81? That is 18. Try to represent in BCD representation. So 9 is 1001, 8 is 1000, 1 is 0001, 8 is 1000. Try to perform addition over this one, and 000 you are going to get 10. You are going to get 10, right? So guys, as 1 followed by 4 zeros is a kind of invalid data. Invalid data. So when you get invalid data, you have to add plus 6. This is what we have seen. Invalid data, you have to add plus 6, right? So that carry will be forward to here. So whatever the result that you got, right? If you add here, this should be 0110, right? What is triple one? Triple one is 11. What is 001? 1. What is 000? What is 10? 1011. So the result is 1011, right? In BCD addition, is 1011 is a valid one? No, it is invalid. It is invalid. So when it is invalid, you have to make add 6. Right? So 1, 1 is 10, 1 is 10, 1 is 10. Right? As now carry is generated, see in b minus 1's complement, when the carry is generated, what you have to do? You have to add it to the result. So add this to the result. So you are going to get 0111 0001. So I think this is 1, this is 7. Right? This way you are going to get, or you are going to perform BCD subtraction. For example, let me take the another one, 33 and 62. I am trying to perform subtraction, right? So you need to have the result as I think around minus 29. 3 plus 9 is 12. 3 plus 2, yes, minus 29. Okay, so how can you do this one? 33 should be represented as usual, 33, and 62 should be represented to 9's complement. What is 9's complement of 62? We have to subtract it from the 99, that is 37. Right? 33 as 0011, this should be as 0011, and take out this one, 0011, 7 is 0111. Try to perform BCD addition, you will get 10, 111 is 11, 11 is 10, 1010, right? 1010, is it a valid one? Is it a valid one? No, it is an invalid. When it is an invalid, what you have to do? You have to add plus 6, 0110, 0, 11 is 10, 11 is 10, this 11 is 10. So 1 will be moved to this particular location. Now what is 111? 11. 111 is 11, 1, 0, 1, right? Is it invalid? No. When it is not invalid and no carry generated, there is no problem. So 0111 followed by 40. So 0111 means 70, 70, right? So when you are trying to perform the like 9's complement subtraction, if there is no carry generated, what you have to do? You have to take out its complement. You have to take out its complement. What is complement of 70? Complement of 70 is 99 minus 70, that is 29. For this, you have to add minus. That is, right? Now these two are equal. This way you can able to perform BCD subtraction. Okay. Similarly, for example, the same numbers I am trying to take, 98 and 81 in 10's complement. In 10's complement or in 9's complement, whatever it may be, you have to get the same result, right? So 98 is as usual. I will write the beside one only. That is 1001 and 1000. What is 10's complement of 81? 10's complement of 81 is 9's complement plus 1, right? You know this is 9's complement value. This is 9's complement value. For that I am going to simply add plus 1. So if you add plus 1, you will get 0001 1001. So this is 10's complement. 10's complement. Let's try to add 1 0 1. 1 1 is 1 0. Carry generated. So and this also invalid data. Invalid data. So you can do 0 1 1 0. So 0 triple 1. 0 triple 1. Triple 1 is 1 1. This is 1. This is 0. This is 1. Right? Is 1 0 1 is valid or invalid? Invalid. So you can able to simply add 0 1 0. This is 1. 1 1 is 1 0. 1 1 is 1 0. 1 1 is 1 0. Is 1 0. Right? Guys, if you observe in B's complement, when carries happen, it should be discard. It should be discarded. If you observe, this is 1. This is 7. Like this, you can able to perform in 10's complement. Similarly, take out the same example of 33 minus 62. So 33 I will be represented as the same one, 0011 0011. 62 in 10's complement. 9's complement is 37, this one. So in 10's complement is, I think, so there is no change in the 3. There will be change in this one. So this will be added plus 1, that is 1000. 1000, right? If you are going to add, this one is 1101, right? Why is 1011 is existed? No. So 0110 will be happening. 011, this is 1, this is 10, this is again 10, this is again 10. Carry will be generated here, right? Now triple 1 is 1, oh sorry, it should be 11 11. Triple 1 is 1110. 011 is a valid one, so you are going to get observe, you are going to get here as 7 and 1, 7 and 1, right? So meaning that when there is no carry generated, what you have to do, you have to make its complement. You have to make its complement. What is the complement of 71? Complement of 71 is 100 minus 71 is 29, right? That is 29, and from that you have to append minus. So the result is going to be get like this, right? So if you want, you can find out the complement of 9's. 9's complement is what? 9's complement is 28. For this, if you are going to add plus 1, you are going to get 10's complement. We are trying to work with 10's complement, so you got the result, that is minus 21. So this is the way you can able to do, right? The simple thing is you have to perform either 9's or 10's complement of subtrand, and you have to follow the basic procedure, either b minus 1's complement or b's complement procedure. That's it.